Okay, in my last video, we were able to look at blockchain, types of blockchain, private blockchain, public blockchain, and what are the use cases for two of them. Where can we use them? Alright, but today we're going to be looking at consensus mechanism. Why do we need consensus mechanism in blockchain? Now, in a decentralized network, there is no central authority, like we have been saying before now, no central authority to decide which transactions are valid. Now, the question is, how do we know valid transactions? Consensus make it possible for everyone to agree on which transaction is valid or not. So, in a blockchain network, many independent nodes are available, have their own copies of the ledger. So, just like a system here, like my own system here, has its own copy of the ledger. Somebody somewhere else have a copy of the ledger, and so on and so on and so forth like that. Now, all of those systems that have a copy of the ledger are called node. Each of them is called a node. Now, without a way to agree, different nodes could have different versions of the truth. And it can lead to double spending, conflicting record, loss of trust, network chaos. So, what is now to be done? That's when you now need consensus. And what is consensus? Consensus is that you agree, the blockchain as a system agree on valid transactions. And how is that done? They ensure that only legitimate transactions are added to the blockchain. So everybody can check and say, okay, this is legitimate, this is not legitimate, and they can add it to the blockchain. It also prevents fraud. It stops double spending and keep the ledger secure and reliable. It builds trust, it maintains network integrity, and enable decentralization. That means it allows a network of strangers to work together without a central authority. Now, can we use a real world analogy of this? Let's say imagine a group of friends tracking a shared expense without a leader. What do they need to do? They have to discuss each transaction. They have to agree on what is a valid transaction. They have to update the record together. Now, everyone has the same accurate list, no confusion, no dispute. It's more like when you are working on a document in Google Doc, and you share the document, and everybody can access that Google Doc, and they can edit it, they can do whatever they want to do with it. And it is possible for you to go back to that Google document and check who edited what, who was the last person that changed what on the document. That is how blockchain works in real sense. So what are the key takeaways? Consensus is the backbone of blockchain. It ensures that in a trustless environment, everyone can agree on one single version of the truth. And that single version of the truth is what is added to the blockchain. In short, no consensus, no blockchain. No agreement, no trust. Until I see you next time, please do something about what you are learning. Thank you.